So I'm here at the 2026 Beekeeping Show. Come with me, we'll go inside and have a look and see what's in there. Futuristic beehive. Does it have LEDs? We're in! It's so busy here, there's so much. It's like sun times in the summer. Let's go look. How do you do? I'm Sam.
Nice to meet you.
I'm from St Ives and Cornwall. I'm the St Ives Beekeeper.
Yes.
I've got some polyneuts. Okay. I've seen yours. Tell me about you.
So I'm Ollie from Simple Beehives. So we make these CNC cut plywood newts.
Yep.
So these are designed for transporting the bees.
Okay.
So if you're buying bees from somebody else, you can take one of these, or if you want to sell bees, we can put branding on them.
Yeah, I was thinking I've got something similar that I use for swarms, collecting swarms.
Perfect, yeah, it's great for collecting swarms in these. Nice thing to have in the back of the van, it's not going to get knocked about like pollen. So they'll fit 5 frames in, so you can get 5 frames of bees in, but obviously swarm collecting, you don't worry about that.
Yeah, no, depends on the size of it.
But it's, so they've got the entrances in them. We make these ourselves, these are 3D printed entrances, so these are screwed in, so you don't have to worry about them coming out in transport.
Great.
You've got top and bottom ventilation in them, so good airflow.
Yeah, brilliant.
One of the problems with moving bees, especially during the summer, if you're putting them in a vehicle or something like that, you can't get the airflow underneath,
sure.
so they soon overheat. So especially with the feet on these.
I have had that before. I've caught a massive swarm in one of the polyneuts. And thought they were all going in,
on the floor,
and they're all dead.
That's it, yeah.
Unbelievable.
I've had that problem too.
Yeah.
These have got nice little feet on them, gives them ventilation, but it means you can also stack 2 or 3 on top of each other, and you don't have that problem.
No.
You stack them up, so you can put them. They're good if, like you say, they're good for that purpose, but they're designed for selling bees. But you can do whatever you want.
I collected a hive years ago, and the chap had an allotment, and there was just this one box of one hive full of bees. He was afraid of them that you wouldn't believe. Anyway, I put my dust sheet around it, wrapped it all up, and as I was going along, I hit a divot, and the whole thing went out my wheelbarrow and cartwheeled.
Right.
So yeah. But great.
The way because these are wood, you can screw. So we use 4 screws. You pull all your frames over to one side, so that pins everything in, so you're not going to kill any queen with the frames knocking about. 4 screws in it, you can stand on it. They're that strong, they're not going to break. They're sort of a bomb-proof way of moving bees.
Brilliant. Ollie, thank you. Thank you for your time.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you, yeah.